Correct. All right. So you started new business with us October 6th of 2015. Okay. Now, the installment notice that we sent out, and this is on October 7th of 2015, clearly states that your payment due date was on the 23rd of October.
But can I interrupt you just a second? When I called, and this is one of the reasons I started an insurance policy with you guys to begin with, because I was told and promised by the agent who took my payment, mind you, of course they were willing to take my money, that I was not going to have to pay, and I would not be billed until the 3rd of each month.
Well, Frederick, the 3rd?
Yes.
Some months have 31 days and some months have 30 days.
Right.
So the billing's not going to just stay on the 3rd. It's going to change from time to time.
But change until the 22nd of the month?
Well, that's when your bills were due. That's when we sent your first installment notice. And then we sent you a cancellation notice on October 23rd of 2015. You didn't make your payment all the way till the 4th of November. And then the installment notice on November 5th, we sent you another one. And then we sent you a cancellation notice. And then, so pretty much you're making your payment.
So I'm being punished for making my payment basically on time when I was told that I was going to be able to make my payment basically. And I'm making it every month, like on the same day. I don't care how many days there are in a month. Basically, I'm being punished for making my payment correctly. Is that correct?
I'm not, I wouldn't use the word punish.
Well, if you're going to cancel my policy, that's punishment, isn't it?
Well, I mean, we are sending you documentation when the policy is due as well, though, on our defense.
In your defense, but wait a minute. In your defense, your billing date, it falls on the 22nd. I don't understand, because when you billed my son, they had the exact same insurance company, exact same policy writer or whatever person that took the call. They were billing him on the 3rd. All of a sudden they changed mine to the 22nd, and his is still, guess what, on the 3rd. So can I ask you, seriously, sincerely, is there some reason why mine changed personally?
No, there's no reason why yours changed personally. The reason why we bill out early is because the way Nevada is set up, where if your policy goes into a lapse, you guys will get fined. Right.
Senate Bill 323. And that's exactly what I'm getting at here. So basically, Nevada is a corrupt mafia, and you guys are working accordingly with them in order to try and screw customers over so that we can get a late payment or a non-payment, and you guys can send us into collections and collect extra money, and Nevada can go ahead and give us a fine. That's pretty much what's going on here, isn't it?
We don't like send you to collections. Our company doesn't.
Okay, well, somebody's profiting from this pretty heavily. And I know corrections is profiting from it. And on Senate Bill 323, there's a failure to provide a full financial disclosure on this argument already. So Nevada's already in violation. Is it also correct that in Nevada, they allow you to use my credit report to evaluate my insurance policy rate?
Yes, that is part of a rating factor as well.
And what exactly does my credit report have to do, sir, if you don't mind? To the best of your knowledge, what exactly does my credit report have to do with my driving history or my amount of claims?
It's just a part of a rating factor that the company does.
Wait, hold on.
It's a small area of what we rate on.
Small area?
That's not the only thing that we rate on. We rate
hold
on
on.
record.
Hold on just a second. If that's a small part, then why are my rates 3 times as high as they are in California for the same policy? If that's a small factor. That's the only thing that changed was your ability to track my credit report, which is none of your business. It has nothing to do with my driving history or the amount of payments I've made or how long I've had insurance or whether I've made any claims or not. Now, my question is this... in the state of Nevada, seems like there's a big insurance mafia. And my question is sincerely, I've had 4 different insurance companies change my payment date, almost like they're trying to cause me to go without insurance so that they can charge me on this bill. this Senate Bill 323 so that I can pay for corrections for God knows what, probably some drug addict, right? So I lapse for 1 minute. I'm paying $250.
Cedric?
I don't think this is right. And I don't think anybody who does business with the state of Nevada is a very good company.
Cedric?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The cancellation due date on the policy, we gave you all the way to the 4th
Right.
of January to make your payment. So you haven't made your payment.
No, I didn't. I'm not making my payment because I went ahead and got a different insurance company. I'm calling you to let you know that you changed the billing date and that I shouldn't be charged any extra money for that.
We're not going to charge you any extra money. You're just not going to have insurance with us anymore. That's all.
And that is great. That is great. And I want you to know that I'm going to put this conversation out on the internet, and I'm going to make sure that everybody knows that Dairyland is involved with this Senate Bill 323 and that you're coinciding with the law here that allows you to process these payments whenever you choose, or change your payment date, or collect my information, my private information without my knowledge, or use my social security number, which you shouldn't have access to. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post all this information along with this recording, and I hope you have a nice day.
I hope you have a nice day too, Frederick.
All right.
You have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.